Outside of Italy, there's not too many people that know about this salad, but my family makes it all the time. It's really popular in Sicily, and I think you guys are really gonna love it. There's no lettuce, there's no croutons, it's refreshing, and it's perfect for the summer. So let's put it together. So first thing we'll do is go over the ingredients. We have some oranges, we'll set these aside, 1 red onion, and 2 fennel bulbs, and some olives. All right, so that's really it. We'll start off with the fennel. Most people pick these up at the supermarket and you're like, well, but they're really easy to clean and use. So we're just gonna set this right on the cutting board. And we're gonna cut the bottom off, and then we'll cut the top off, and we'll set these aside because we're gonna use them as garnish. And then we'll cut this in half, and then we're gonna slice it as thin as possible. And if you don't have a sharp knife, you could use a mandolin. Mandolin works great for this. But we're just going in with the knife. And once you have all the fennel chopped up, we're gonna add it to this bowl. We'll get this all in there. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the onion. I already cleaned it, I have a red onion. We're gonna slice it up, and then we'll add it to the bowl. And also shallots go great in this too, so if you want, you can add shallots, but I like the red onion. And what I like to do now, it's not necessary, but I like to add in some cold water here, and a little salt, and then you let this sit for like 10 minutes and it just softens everything up. So while this is sitting, we're gonna start prepping the oranges. So for the oranges, we wanna peel them, but we wanna remove that white part because it's a little bitter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the bottom and top of the orange, and then we're gonna turn it on its side, and we're gonna remove one side of the orange. And once you remove that one side, it's gonna be like your guide to do the whole orange. And eventually you'll get around the whole orange and you won't have any of that white bitterness. And if you want to get chefy here, you could take the orange, you could see there's lines on the side and then on the top. You could follow that pattern and cut out wedges. It takes a little time. It looks great. My wife usually does that, but I'm not really that, I'm a little lazy, so we're just gonna cut this in round slices. Personally, I like it this way better. So pretty much the prep work here is done. The last thing we're gonna do here is chop up some of these fennel fronds. It's really garnish, but it adds a little flavor. So we'll just chop these up and set them aside. So now we're gonna put this together. So you wanna get yourself a nice serving dish. And we're gonna start with the fennel and onion. So we're kinda gonna layer this salad. So we're gonna add in our first layer here. And you could run this through a strainer, or you could just do what I'm doing here. You don't wanna dirty too many dishes. Get that in there. So we'll just spread this all out. And I think this will be like our bitter layer. And now we'll go in with some sweetness, the oranges. So really contrast the bitterness. Some olives, bring in that briny flavor. Olive oil, be generous. This really brings it all together. Some black pepper. I'm skipping the salt because I salted the fennel and the onion. A little more fennel, and of course, a little more olive oil. And that's really it. I'm gonna take this outside because I feel like with the outside light, it'll really show the colors of this. The lighting in here is but you can really see the vibrance of this salad. It looks so good. While we're out here, we'll put some of this on a plate. And you can see here, it's just like a rustic salad. This is exactly what you want. It's Sicilian. It's got all these different flavors, bitter, sweet, salty. It's great. And funny story about this salad is one day we were at a beach club in Sicily and we ordered it and they served it to us with anchovies on top. And I mean, I like anchovies, but I wasn't expecting the anchovies on this. And I have to be in the mood for anchovies. So if you like anchovies, it definitely goes in this salad. It's really good. It's so good. And one of the beautiful things about this salad is on the bottom, you wind up, let me turn this around. You have this juice in here, which is from the fennel and onion, some of that water, that salty water, and the orange and the olive oil. So that right there is like the liquid gold for this salad. So, and in my opinion, I really like serving this up with soft bread. My wife will probably disagree with me, but I like a soft bread because I feel like the soft bread really absorbs all this good stuff in here. So definitely if you're making this salad, make sure you have some bread. This is really the way you got to do it. And if you really like this salad, I also have a Sicilian potato salad linked right here. That one's really good. It's a little more filling. This one's probably on the lighter side. Goes nice with some grilled fish, meats. I mean, I'll let you guys decide what you're going to serve this up with, but it's really good. And let me know how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell, like, and subscribe.